Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I am Kholifatul Fauziah from UMY's Islamic Communication and Broadcasting. My team includes Professor Akif Hilmia from UMY and Ibu Dewi Ekowati from Universitas Ahmad Dahlan. Our program reinforcing peaceful behavior in early childhood through storytelling and hands-on activities is an action research in a faith-based kindergarten within a smart society framework. It falls under the community service at school scheme. Our research is rooted in Aisyah's vision of a virtuous life and keluarga sakinah or peaceful family. Kindergartens like Kindergarten Aisyah Bustanul Atfal Surya Melati are key for the Golden Indonesia 2045 generation. We observe a need to strengthen non-violence values due to resource limits. Crucial for early childhood character informed by social learning theory. Our objective was to analyze interactive storytelling and hands-on activities in fostering peaceful behavior, aligning with Golden Indonesia 2045 and demonstrating a smart society approach to address constraints. This qualitative action research involved 37 early childhood students, teachers, and parents at Kindergarten Aisyah Bustanul Atfal Surya Melati, focusing on three integrated interventions. We use a qualitative action research design guided by social learning theory and smart society principles. Data gathering involves structured observations and non-in-depth interviews with facilitators. We also ensured full ethical approval. For data analysis, we use descriptive analysis or quantitative data and descriptive qualitative content analysis for interviews, applying that data triangulation for trustworthiness. Our findings show varied engagement in storytelling. Older students showed more active interaction, while younger ones were more passive. This highlights the need for tailored approaches for younger children's abstract comprehension. Through fun and experiential activities yielded overwhelmingly positive and consistent results across all age groups. For example, in fruit preparation, we saw nearly universal cooperation and peaceful conflict resolution. Even younger students, less vocal in storytelling, perform strongly here. This powerfully demonstrates the efficacy of direct experience in fostering cooperation, sharing, and respect, aligning with social learning theory. Building on this, we observe near universal adoption of polite language, please, sorry, thank you during practical exercises alongside almost 100% rates in cooperation and peaceful conflict resolution. This confirms that structured direct practice is highly effective for behavioral internalization. Our project also validated the Smart Society collaborative model. The partnership between university researchers, school staff, and parents successfully bridged resource limitations of the nonprofit institution. By leveraging external resources, we significantly enhance pedagogical quality and cultivated character values. Positive feedback confirms the success of this multi-stakeholder approach. In conclusion, hands-on activities are highly effective for peaceful behavior. Storytelling needs adaptation. The Smart Society collaboration successfully bridge resource gaps and enhance education. Therefore, we recommend expanding hands-on activities, innovating storytelling methods for younger learners, and strengthening multi-stakeholder collaborations. We also propose explicitly integrating keluarga sakinah or peaceful family values and advocate for future long-term impact studies. Thank you. Let's team up for early childhood education. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.